Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change to 2.4 gigahertz on Xfinity. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Xfinity on your browser. Or browser, type in Xfinity, get into the official website. Now from over here you will find this kind of interface. Go ahead, first clear this out and now get signed in. As soon as you have signed in, you're gonna be simply going to go to the Wi-Fi tab of yours, go to the Wi-Fi tab, and then from over here select the Wi-Fi details. Upon selecting Wi-Fi details, you will be able to choose this option of edit Wi-Fi settings. Once you've tapped on that, you're gonna be choosing this option 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You will have two options. Now go ahead, choose the 2.4 gigahertz option for the Wi-Fi. Once you choose that, you can tap on this option of edit next to the Wi-Fi band you want to update. Once you tapped on it, you're gonna select a new mode or channel setting. Once you tapped on it, you're gonna tap on this option of select save to save. Once you selected new channel for the Wi-Fi mode, then you're gonna be typing on this option of save to save your new settings, and you're done. That's how basically you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.